Hello students, welcome class 3 to your e-learning computer class. Previous class I discussed chapter number 3, learn to use Windows 10 short answer type question. A, B and C completed. Question number 1, 2, 3 is completed. Today I will discuss question number 4. What is desktop background? How can it be changed? How can it be changed? Okay. So all of you please take out your computer notebook and note down. I hope you all have noted it down, and previous class question answer you all have noted down in your notebook. Let's start now. Question number 4. Question number 4. Short answer type questions. Question number 4. Question number 1, 2, 3 already completed. Okay. What is desktop background? What is desktop background? How can it be changed? Okay. After question, please first write the question and then answer. Okay. So what is desktop background? Desktop background, it is an image. Okay. The desktop background is an image that appears as the background of the screen. Okay. Sure. All of you please write down the desktop background. Background is an image. Is an image that appears as the background of the screen, that appears on the background as the background of the screen. The desktop background is an image that appears as the background of the screen. Okay. And next part, how can it be changed? How can it be changed? First, right click on the background. First, right click, right click, right click on the background, right click on the background, choose, then choose the personalize option. Next, select background, select background, in the left panel, in the left panel of the window, next step, click on browse or click on browse. Click on browse, locate picture of your choice then select it. After choosing a picture, the background will be changed automatically. Okay, and then select it. Okay, now next, Madhuri wants to think and do. Next question number 3, think and do. Madhuri wants to organize all her English, science, mathematics and Hindi file on the desktop. Can you suggest a way of her to arrange all the files in an alphabetically order? Auto arrange option, and there is alphabetically order option is also there. Have to choose arrange the icon alphabetically order. Okay, and Lakshay is trying to install an operating system in his desktop, and you are a big fan of Windows 10 because of its features. Try to convince Lakshay to go for Windows 10. Then you have to discuss the feature of Windows 10, because you have to convey that it is a very attractive operating system and we can search file and folder very quickly. In Windows 10 we can search a file or folder very quickly, and it is a multitasking operating system and everything is arranged under different tiles. It has a taskbar that shows an application that are running as well as the ones that are not running. Okay, you can multiple desktop also. Okay, you can convey this. And next, turn over the next page, page number 42. Page number 42. Activity time. Label the different parts of the Windows 10 desktop in the given picture. Okay. Here is given. I will not draw the window already drawn. Number A, B, C, D. I will just label. I will label the picture. You just note down in your book. This is icon. Number A. These are icon, and this is start. A icon, B start, C is a search, and D pinned application, and E this is a taskbar, and F it is a notification area. Okay, so please all of you write down. Number A, this is icons, and number B here, this is the number B. This is a start button, and then number C search. Number D, next number D, pinned application. And number E, taskbar. And number F, this is a notification area. Number F, notification, notification area. Number A, this is icon. Number B, search. Number C, number B, start. Number C, search. Number D, pinned application. Number E, taskbar. And number F, notification area. Okay. And next part, arrange the given steps sequentially by writing the correct letter against each steps to arrange the icons on the desktop. Number A, this given here, click on auto arrange, and number B, right click on the desktop anywhere away from icons, and number C, choose the view option. Here step 1, step 2 and step 3 you have to write the correct letter. Okay, this is was number A, and now number B. The next part, number B. Write the steps only. Step 1, if you want to arrange the icon, desktop icon, if you want to arrange the desktop icons, first step B. B is the step 1. Step 1, B. B means first you have to right click on the desktop anywhere away from icons. Then step 2, next step 2 is choose the view option. C. Choose the view option. C. Option C. Choose the view option. And then step 3 is A. Click on auto arrange option. Click on auto arrange option. Okay. The chapter is completed. Next class I will discuss a new chapter. Next chapter. Okay. Thank you. Bye. Have a nice day.